Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start learning Bootstrap. Before we write any code, let's first understand one simple thing. What is Bootstrap? Why do we use it? And which Bootstrap version are we going to learn? Don't worry, today's video is only an introduction. I will explain everything in very simple words. So let's get started. First, let me ask you a simple question. Imagine you are building a website. You need navbar, you need button, you need cards, you need forms, and you also want your website to look good on mobile, tablet, and laptop. Can we build all of this using HTML and CSS? Yes, we can, but we will have to write a lot of CSS. It takes more time and making everything responsive is so also extra. Responsive is also extra work. This is exactly why Bootstrap was created. Bootstrap was made to help developers build beautiful and responsive websites faster. Instead of writing the same CSS again and again, Bootstrap gives us ready-made CSS so we can focus more on building the website instead of writing lot of styling code. Suppose you want to create a beautiful blue button without Bootstrap. You will write HTML and then many lines of CSS to make that button look nice. You will add a background color, padding, border radius, hover effect, and more. But with Bootstrap, you simply add a Bootstrap class. That's it. Your button already looks clean, modern, and professional. This is one of the biggest reasons why developers like Bootstrap. It saves time and makes development easier. One important thing to remember, Bootstrap does not replace CSS. Still need to know CSS. Bootstrap simply makes your work faster by providing ready-made styles. So first we learn CSS and then we use Bootstrap to build websites more quickly. Bootstrap also gives us ready-made components like button, cards, forms, navbar, tables, and alerts and many more. We will learn each of these step by step with practical example. Now, let's talk about the Bootstrap version. Bootstrap 3, such as Bootstrap 3. Bootstrap 3 means mobile first framework with jQuery dependency. Next is Bootstrap 4. Introduce Flexbox and improved responsive design. Bootstrap 5 removed jQuery dependency and added modern feature. In this course, we will use Bootstrap 5 because it's the latest major version and most developers use it for modern web development. Don't need to worry about the older versions. We will learn everything using Bootstrap 5. So that's all for today. I hope you now understand what Bootstrap is, why it was created, and why developers use it. In the next video, we will add Bootstrap 5 to our project and write our first Bootstrap code together. Please don't forget like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.